Can Fortnite see what you do after you delete the app? So let me tell you guys, Fortnite cannot see what you do on your device after you delete the app. Once you uninstall the game, it is no longer running, has no access to your system, and cannot track your activity to see what files you look at. Now, what stays behind? Deleting the app removes the program from your phone or PC, but it does not erase the profile or history already saved on Epic Game server while you were actively playing. Your personal account details and friend lists remain active on their network until you choose to fully delete your Epic Games account. Now, if you'd like to permanently delete your Fortnite account, what you have to do is go to one of your web browser, then navigate to Epic Games account portal. Now go to the website, then log into your Fortnite account, and then stay on the general settings tab and scroll all the way to the bottom. Then locate the delete account section and then tap the rate delete account or request account delete button. Then check your email for a 6-digit security code sent by Epic Games, and then enter the security code on the web page and tap continue or confirm delete a request. Then select a reason for leaving from the drop down menu, then tap continue to finalize it. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.